Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are at Lucid Motors in Casa Grande, Arizona for our 9th visit. We want to thank our newest patrons from the last week. We had Jeff Roberts, who does flyovers of the Giga Texas site in Austin, Texas. He has become a supporter of the channel and we really appreciate that. Jeff signed up as a Papa Bear, so thank you, Jeff. And everyone, check out his channel. He's got some really interesting flyover stuff of the Tesla Gigafactory. And he does flyovers with a couple other guys there. They're called the Quad Squad. If you guys haven't seen it before, go ahead and take a look at it. If you like seeing construction videos, this is pretty cool stuff. If you're interested in EV stuff, this is pretty cool stuff. If you want to see what it looks like to build the world's largest factory, pretty cool stuff. Take a look at Jeff's YouTube channel. It is called Jeff Roberts. We also want to thank Cheryl, and a big thanks to our newest patron, in that patron, not Patreon, is Patrick. Thanks, Patrick. He also signed up as a Mama Bear. We appreciate your support. We thank all three of you. And if you want to help support this channel, please check out our Patreon link down below in the description. We are still doing perimeter video until we hash out this agreement with Lucid. There has been no progress since our last flight. The only thing that has changed is that Lucid has put numerous no drone signs, and it states, operating a drone in this airspace above this property is aerial trespassing. Violators will be civilly and criminally prosecuted. And they cited ARS 13-1502. This law, while it is for trespassing, has no relevance on aerial flights. Despite what people think, you can't post a sign and have it suddenly become a law. No drone zones are only regulated by the FAA. They are the only authority on this. Now, unfortunately, there's going to be a time that if we don't come to an agreement, we will be flying over Lucid. At that time, I may need your guys' support for legal costs. So Lucid, let us fly. In today's video, we're going to see more of the grading with a lot of the wheel tractor scrapers, working in a new area from what we saw last week. We have another time lapse of this. Most of the work is being done is on the east side of the property and closer to the existing building, so on the northeast of the area for construction. And again, as far as people working inside of Lucid, there are plenty of cars out there. The parking lot is just as full as any other day that we've been there. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button so that you'll get notified. So you'll see more of the flyovers that we do. Please follow us on Twitter at Bears Workshop. And now, let's go fly.